Hello, and welcome to the School of International Service. I am Rosemary Shinko. I am the Assistant Dean for Undergraduate Education in the School of International Service. And I would like to give you an overview of what to expect in your coming semester when you enter the School of International Service. So, first of all, what to expect in your first year? Well, we have two foundational courses, our World Politics class and our first year seminar class. And the goal of these classes are to really welcome you into the academic life and the academic community in SIS. What to expect in your World Politics class? Well, this is a class where you'll be able to look at various global challenges, where you'll be able to understand why states decide to cooperate or to enter into conflict. And you'll also be exposed to the ideas of leading thinkers and scholars in the field of international studies. What to expect in your first year seminar class? This is a small class of 19 students where you really will get an opportunity to work on all of the competencies to make one successful in the School of International Service and beyond. You'll work on critical reading skills, critical writing skills, how to refine your presentation skills. So again, it's a small discussion-based class with you, a professor, and 18 of your fellow classmates. Here are some of the other key components of the undergraduate major in SIS. We have a class in intercultural communication. You have an opportunity to spend a year learning how to do research in SIS and executing your own research project. We have our 8 thematic areas, and you have your final summative capstone project to look forward to in your senior year. These are the key components of the undergraduate degree. We also have a language requirement, and you also will have an opportunity to study economics and to pick a region of the world to focus on. Just to give you a little more information about undergraduate research, SISU 206 teaches you how to do research in international studies. And then in SISU 306, you get to spend the semester working on your own original research project. And if you wish, you could present your project at our annual SIS Research Symposium. There are additional opportunities if you're really interested in research. We have a special group of sophomores that you could apply to be a part of called our Olson Scholars. And they're a special cohort, and they have their own designated SISU 206 and SISU 306 classes. We have 2 student-run journals where you can publish your original research, or you could be a member of our editorial team on either of those journals. As I mentioned, we sponsor our annual SIS Research Symposium, and we also sponsor students to attend the National Collegiate Undergraduate Research Symposium. And that's where you could get together, present your research with students from all across the United States. And we also have a special opportunity where you could apply to be a summer scholar and work on a special research project with a faculty mentor over the summer. These are our 8 thematic areas. And here you can really see the breadth of international studies. And you will have plenty of time to learn about each of these 8 thematic areas, to talk with faculty and other students about them, and to begin to make your own choices about which of the areas you'd like to focus on during your time here in SIS. Here are some other opportunities you might want to consider. We have a Peace Corps Prep certificate program for students who might be interested in applying to the Peace Corps upon graduation. We have our own honors in the major, and obviously we have tremendous opportunities for you to study abroad and to pursue a host of internships, domestically as well as internationally. There is a lot that AU has to offer to you as a student to help support you in your 4 years here. So make sure you take advantage of our writing center, our tutoring services, our wellness center. We have recreational and sports and fitness opportunities for you, as well as the K Spiritual Life Center that hosts a variety of programs. There's a lot to do and a lot that you can become involved in. We also have our own Office of Career Development, and from day one, you can start meeting with our career development officers. You can meet one-on-one with them for specialized appointments, or you can take advantage of the various programs that we run throughout the year so that you can attend various workshops, and you can also begin to meet some of our alumni and begin working on networking. We have some student organizations, excuse me, that you might like to participate in. We have our Diplomatic Corps. They are students who work to build community across SIS. We have peer advisors that work in our advising office in SIS. We have our Undergraduate Council, that's our student government, and we have the #2 ranked Model UN team in the nation. So that's something you might want to become involved in. We also have a Model G20 program. We have a Model Arab League, and we participate in the EU debate challenge known as the Schumann Challenge. There are lots of other opportunities for you as well in terms of applying for a range of very prestigious and high-profile awards and scholarships. And our Office of Merit Awards works very closely with SIS students so that you are aware of these various academic opportunities and that you really consider applying for them. And as you can see, we have a pretty strong track record in SIS students winning many of these prestigious awards and scholarships. So it is my distinct pleasure to welcome you again to the School of International Service, and please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any other questions or concerns. We are more than happy to tell you about the School of International Service and answer any questions that you might have.